Hi YouTube, it's your girl Elementalist.k and I am back today with a new video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe and then hit that bell notification button. It'll let you know when I have a new video coming so you won't miss it. If you enjoy this video, please give a thumbs up, or if you just want to show some support and help my reach. Girl, what is wrong with you? Hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe, do all the fun things, okay? So let's get into it, right? Okay, so I don't know if you know what House of CB is. It's like a British online boutique, and their clothes are just like, it's like elegant and a little sexy, a little skin, a little cleave, you know what I'm saying? But I found one of them on the Bella Barnett website, so I'm thinking to myself, because you know these boutiques, they use certain vendors just like in any industry. You have different storefronts, but they use the same type of vendors. So I'm thinking, is Bella Barnett selling the returns from House of CB and etc.? This is hair. There's a hair follicle. Where is it? You see that hair follicle? Come on, let's zoom. Let's focus. This is hair, y'all. It's a whole pandemic outside. I don't want strange hair on me. The disappointment. I am so underwhelmed. This is not giving at all. What the heck? It's literally a sack. Just look, you can fit a city in here. You can fit a baby. You can fit a traffic light. You can fit my student loans. There's so much room for debt. And I'm still see, look, what is this? Falling off of me as I walk? I can't have that. Because like, for example, one time I bought a dress off of Fashion Nova, and that same dress I found on Shein. So I'm always like, you know what? There must be something going on here where they're getting it from the same vendors. That's another tip. You can possibly get it cheaper. Just try a different website. Now, sometimes, hey, it's on you. If you get it in and it's a different material, like it's supposed to be leather and it's pleather, or it's supposed to be cotton and it's polyester. But if you get it for half the price and it's the same dress, okay, that's one thing. So let's move on. Be careful from buying from some of these websites because they don't allow returns. They have all these different requirements in order for you to return items. It's crazy. Like you have to take a picture, send it in, they have to review it, and then it has to be within 30 days of you purchasing it, and then it says something about then they'll consider. I'll make sure to take a photo and put the image up of like the return policy information and such. It takes about 3 weeks to a month to receive things from Bella Barnett. Now, mind you, I'm in Texas, so they said it ships from China. So I was like, okay, if it doesn't work out, I'll return it, you know, whoop-de-woo, whatever. Girl, the mayhem that I went through. I started emailing back and forth with customer service. They said you can return the item, but you'd have to pay the shipping cost. And they're like, just a suggestion, it'll end up being more expensive than the cost of the item for you to return it. So I'm like, why would y'all sell to different regions where if somebody can't fit the item or they don't like it, they can't return it, and the return fees would be more expensive for freight than the actual cost of the item. I spent over $100. I was like, aha, this is unacceptable. So me and this lady went back and forth, or whoever it was. So then I started a new customer service email, and I reached out to them and I said, hey, this isn't working out. This is unacceptable. They were telling me that the best they can do is send me a 10% refund. And I was trying to bargain, right? A black woman can get it done. So I was like, I said, I need at least a 50% refund. And she was like, no, best we can do is 10% refund for one of them, which wouldn't have even been enough money to repurchase a new dress in the first place. And then they said for the other dress, they would be willing to replace it. But what if you actually did not like the dress, right? And then it would take another 3 weeks. So if you're planning on going on a trip or anything important that has a deadline to it, be careful ordering from these websites. What did she tell me? She said I could pick another dress of equal value and then send her my options and she'll resend it. So I was like, oh, bet. I'm gonna replace these things, right? So this is one of the dresses that they sent me, and I'm about to stand up and show you the 2 replacement dresses, and then I'll also show you the items that I got for my birthday.